So I've already removed the water out of one of these chicken tractors. I'm gonna go ahead and do the other two. This is the first full day that the meat birds have been out in the tractors, and I just wanted to show a quick video on the process of moving the tractors, replenishing the water and food. Chicks are still scared. In a few days, they'll be running to the opening, thinking I have the food for them. All right, so here goes. Let's see how these guys do. Got the food here. Are they gonna come running? I'm gonna pull it all the way up here. Close it up. And looks like for the most part they're coming. Yep. They're all over here. So now I can slide. To give them fresh ground. These guys look like they're waiting already. Oh yeah, look at them. Act like they haven't eaten all day. They're all over, except one, but he'll come. So, gives them all fresh grass. I see these little stakes. I do have those hooks that I made myself as well. If I know it's going to be windy, I'll just stake these into the ground with a hammer, both sides, to help keep them from flying away. They're very heavy, and we've never had issues with it, but still I'm scared to lose all my chickens if the tractors fly away. All right, looks like everybody came. Okay, so there we have it. We have 21 in this tractor, 23 in this one, and 25 in the other one. Start to finish, 7 weeks, I believe, to harvest. And then we have lots of protein in the freezer. I think we calculated it last year, right at $1.89 a pound. I have a video on that as well, and how much it costs and the ins and outs of that. Thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed. Hope it was helpful, insightful. If you have any questions, comments, please leave them below. And as always, God bless. One week out in the chicken tractors. I believe they are going on 4.5, 5 weeks old altogether. Nom nom.